This conference will now be recorded.
In this video, I will be showing you how to review and edit an employee's direct deposit and workers' comp job class information in Employer on the Go. Depending on the level of access granted by your payroll company, you may or may not have access to all features discussed in this video. On the main dashboard page, you would begin by selecting Employees and Contractors. Here, you can select which employee you would like to view, and then select the Direct Deposit Workers' Comp tab. If you need to edit this data, select Edit on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. There is a delete icon here, and I highly recommend never to delete an employee that you've processed any pay for. Once in edit mode, you can either add a new bank record for the employee's file, or you can edit an existing one. To edit an existing one, simply select the pen to the left-hand side that needs to be edited. This will open up the fields, and you can update as needed. Once completed, select the check mark, and then hit Save below. To add a new record to the employee, you will begin by selecting Add Record. To add a new record, begin by entering the employee's routing number in the first field. Once you start entering the first 3 digits of the routing number, a drop-down will appear to assist you in selecting the correct bank. Once recognized, the bank name will auto-fill in. Enter the employee's account number twice to verify that you've entered it correctly the first time. Confirm the account type. Checking, savings, or pay card are your options. If your company does not have pay card and would like to add this feature to your payroll process, please contact your payroll company. The system will default to percentage of net amount for the calculation method and 100%. This can be updated depending on how the employee would like to direct their pay. This field can also be fixed amount, send the remainder, an HSA account, or percentage of gross. If there's any net pay that is not accounted for with this setup, it will result in a live check to the employee. For instance, if you set up $25 going to one account and not have anything else on the employee's file, any pay over the $25 deposited will be in the form of a live check. If you select a fixed amount, you'll be able to enter the amount in the amount dollar field. If you select percentage of net amount or any percentage amount, you would enter it in the percentage field. If an employee is no longer using a bank account, if it's closed or no longer active, do not delete the entry, just edit and deselect this active box. Disable 1X or 1X disabled. This box is intended to inactivate an employee's account for one time only. If you select this box and then run a payroll, this employee will receive a live check for that payroll. Then, for the following payrolls, it will become active again and the employee will continue to receive direct deposit. Secondary pay only, if this is selected, this bank account will be used on any secondary checks if the employee receives more than one check on a payroll run. Card number, interface type, status, and notes are in conjunction with our pay cards. Once activated, on your company, these fields will be open. Once completed, you can select the check mark and then hit Save to record this transaction. There is another way of navigating to the employee's direct deposit by selecting Employees, Direct Deposits. This will bring up all employees that currently have a bank account set up on their file. Here you can select employee to edit their data, and you can also add an employee's bank account from this page. Select Add from the bottom of the screen and then select the employee from the Employee field and begin your entry. Back to the Employees and Contractors screen and the Direct Deposit Workers' Comp tab. This also contains the workers' comp on the bottom here. When in edit mode, if the employee has one job class, you can select it from the single job class, your drop down that was created at your company setup level. If the employee is exempt, you would mark the box accordingly. The catch-up field is used when you want the system to calculate catch-up amounts to workers' comp. Use max wage, use minimum wage, and supplemental coverage is used for state of Ohio that require this information. If this employee has more than one workers' comp job class, you would not enter a single job class here. Instead, you would add a record and list the departments as corresponding with that job class. Once completed, hit the check marks, hit save. There you have it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact your payroll company.